Good morning Year 3 and welcome to your Wednesday's maths lesson. Now today we're going to be doing something new, something we've never done before, so I really need you to focus and I really need you to concentrate. Now for a whole term Miss Keck has nagged you and nagged you and nagged you about learning your times tables, and I've told you that they need to be as quick as that, and that every week when we've been doing our times table test that your answer should come to you just like that, and I've asked you to write them out every day just for 2 or 3 minutes so that they really get in there. Now if you've listened to Miss Keck's advice and done what I've asked you to do, this lesson is going to be brilliant and breezy for you. And if you haven't, this lesson may take you a bit more longer to work out some of the answers. So what we're going to do today is create smile multiplication tables. So the first one we're going to do, and the first question, is to find the fourth multiple of 80. So to find that, we need to first of all write out our 80 smile table. Now this is just doing smile multiplication that we did yesterday, and on Monday we started multiplying by 10, so you can see how the lessons are building up, getting you ready for this. I love doing these tables, they really excite me. So you just write a table like this, and in the corner you write times 80. So we know that 1 times 8 is 8, so therefore 1 times 80 is 80. We know that 2 times 8, our smile multiplication, 2 and 8, is 16. So therefore 2 times 80 would be 160. We know that 3 times 8 is 24. So therefore 3 times 80 is 240. We know 4 8s are 32. Therefore we know 4 times 80 is 320. You can see the pattern. We know that 5 times 8 is 40, so therefore 5 times 80 is 400. And we know that 6 times 8 is 48, so therefore 6 times 80 is 480. And I've gone all the way down until 10 times 80, which is 800. Now you could do each time a smile multiplication. So you could, that's exactly the method we're using to create the table. So each time you're doing this number times this number. So there could be lots of smiles down the page that are getting gradually bigger, and then you're counting your zeros and adding them on. So the first question says, what is the fourth multiple? What is the fourth multiple of 80? So here I can see that the fourth multiple of 80 is 320. So therefore that would be the answer. Now I'm going to skip question 2 because that's tens and you should know that like that. And we will go on to question 3, which asks us what's the third multiple of 90. Now, who can remember the 9 times table trick that we learnt just before we had to leave school? So we started 1 times 90 is 90, and 10 times 90 is 900. Now I'm going to do our trick if you can remember. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 9 here, so I'm going to go back down the other side the other way. So I'm going to go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I've got the 0. Do you remember that trick? We loved that trick. Now remember, that would be a smile multiple table for a smile multiplication table, excuse me, for 9s. And we're not doing 9s, are we? We're doing 90s. So I need to count my zeros. So I've done my smiles, if you like, and now I need to add in my zeros. So therefore, 2 times 90 becomes 180. 3 times 90 becomes 270. 4 times 90 becomes 360. 5 times 90 becomes 450. 6 sorry, a message just came through. I hope you can't see it on my video. And 6 times 90 becomes 540, etc. So we wanted to find out the third multiple. The third multiple is 270. So probably what you're going to have to do is create your own smile multiplication tables before you can answer the questions. It's not a bad thing to take some time to write out your multiplications, as I've asked you to lots of times before, and have them up in your bedroom so you're constantly looking at them. Maybe you're watching those videos on YouTube and learning those songs. However you can get those multiplications in your head will help your maths forever and ever and ever more. So enjoy, take your time, you need to be accurate, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.